Hello, good morning, our respected teacher and our dear friends. Today we are here to have conversations between two friends. Now we are going to start. Hello, how have you been, my friends?
I have been well, thank you. And how are you doing?
I'm doing well, thank you. Where are you busy nowadays?
I am losing my body fat nowadays, and I maintain body mass index.
What do you do to stay healthy and fit?
I do yoga and run.
What have your health habit changed since you were younger? If so, how?
Yes, I have changed my health habits since I was younger. I didn't do yoga in childhood. I was never concerned about my health.
Have you ever gone a diet?
Yes, I have gone a diet, sustainable eating discipline.
What type of diet do you follow?
I follow intermittent fasting.
What type of remedies do you use for common elements?
I use the following remedies for common elements. They are ginger for antiemetic and chicken soup for cold and congestion, and flaxseed for constipation, and peppermint for nausea, and so on.
Thank you so much for this information.
Thank you.
Hello, good morning, everyone. Today we are here to have a short conversation about playing instrument. Now we are going to start. Hi, Goma. Do you like to play instrument?
Yes, I play two instruments.
Which instrument do you like to play?
I like to play piano and violin.
I wish I knew how to play instrument.
You don't know how to play an instrument?
No, I don't know.
I took piano and violin lessons when I was a child.
How long do you take lessons?
I took lessons for 2 or 3 years.
Oh, real? You are. That's great.
My mom wanted me to go to the music class, but I wanted to be a doctor.
Oh, really?
Yes, my mom was a famous violinist and my dad was a famous pianist.
You came from very talented family.
Thanks. What instrument do you want to learn?
I want to learn guitar.
Oh, I don't know how to play guitar.
We can take lessons together.
I wish I could, but I don't have time.
Okay, bye. Have a great day.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Good morning, everyone, my respected teachers and my dear friend. Today we are going to have a short conversation between teachers and students. Shall we begin? Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
My examination is around the corner. Can you give me some instruction how as I should prepare?
Certainly, but at first, get rid of your mobile. That is major distraction.
Yes, ma'am.
Read your text thoroughly. Read your text thoroughly. You must have all the information will you study.
Ma'am, I have a problem of memorizing.
Instant you learning. Try to understand it. Try to concentrate on one major thing.
Yes, ma'am. A few of my friends are planning way to do group study. Will it be useful?
Yes, definitely. You must have help solve question paper. Those will help you.
Oh, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Um, if you need anything else, let me know.
Okay, sure, ma'am. Thank you.